Sit on a wooded hillside in Valle de Bravo, south of Mexico City. The Izar Houses is a pair of identical weekend homes for two brothers on a steep site overlooking a lake. The buildings and open-air spaces that integrated into the landscape and didn't appear too large step down the sloped site. At the top of the property are a garage and an outdoor parking area. Just below is an entrance plaza with greenery and walls made of concrete and local rock. Inside the home, public functions are situated on the upper level and private areas are found below. The upper floor holds a kitchen, dining area, and living room, along with a generous covered patio adorned with furniture, a bar, and a grill. The dining room and kitchen for special events, and a covered terrace hosting extra living and dining rooms with a support bar and grill. The main living room is generous in size, featuring a black steel fireplace that contrasts with the oak-tiled floors, walls, and ceilings. On the upper level, ample glazing ushers in daylight and provides sweeping views of the terrain. An open terrace with a swimming pool, a service area with a kitchen, and a storage room. The upper level of the homes consist of semi-enclosed concrete structures. Each of these spaces frames scenic views of the nearby woods and lake. Warm-toned oak was used for floors, walls, and ceilings in certain areas. Black granite and stones from Mexico's Toluca region were also used for flooring. Running along the north elevation is a slender lap pool. Throughout the interior, the home using neutral colors, earthy finishes, and contemporary decor. Here's a look at the plan.